Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a mini wooden riser. So I grabbed one of these ovals from Dollar Tree. They're just in the crafty square section. They come in ovals and squares and rectangles. Some of these acorn caps, I had got these at a thrift store, but they sell them at Hobby Lobby as well. You could use little round balls, it's up to you. Some tissue paper from Dollar Tree, some sage green chalk paint, white chalk paint, and Mod Podge. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint the beveled edge of my wood with the sage green chalk paint. And I'm just going to do around the edges. I'm going to leave the center blank because we're going to paint that white. And once I finish painting the edges, I'm going to paint all 4 of the little feet that I got, all with the sage green as well. Once I had everything that I wanted painted with the sage green, I'm going to take the white chalk paint and paint just the top half. If you happen to get it along the edges, you can just touch it up with the sage green paint. Once the white paint was dry, I'm going to take my Mod Podge and run a nice thick coat along the top. Then I'm just going to lay my tissue paper on, and I'm going to use my fingers to press it down, and then I'm going to let it dry. For some reason, the footage of that got deleted off of my phone. So here it is once it's all dry, and I'm just going to take my sanding block from Dollar Tree and sand off the excess. And as I was sanding, I was just pulling off the pieces, and there it is, all finished. I just love that tissue paper from Dollar Tree. I would use it on everything. Next, I'm going to take my little vacuum, clean up my mess that I made with all the tissue paper from the sanding. Then I'm going to take my little riser top, and I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to use some hot glue, and I'm going to hot glue the little feet on. So I'm going to lay them out and make sure that they're even, and then I'm just going to use my hot glue to attach them to the bottom. And that is the last one, and this little riser is all done. How cute is this, and how easy? I love that tissue paper with that sage green paint. It just matches so well. I hope this inspires you to make one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.